Hey guys, Dewey Lucero here with Wild Groves, and today we're launching our brand new white balsamic vinegar. This balsamic is a little thicker. That's what makes it so special, as opposed to our white balsamic vinegar that is our base for our flavored balsamic vinegars. So it's got a really nice sweet flavor, a little bit of a touch of red apple, and a little less acidity. But a great balsamic vinegar if you're looking for a little change, a little lighter, a little smoother balsamic, and that thickness that you get with a nice premium balsamic vinegar. So I thought, what better way than to feature this balsamic than with my favorite salad. This is a super easy salad to make. It's very healthy. You can use it for a dinner, for lunch, on its own, or with your main course. So let's jump into it. I use some mixed greens. You know, a couple handfuls will do it. Yeah, it looks about right. I like arugula. My family loves arugula because that little extra greenness, herbaceousness that it adds to your salad. So let's add a small handful of that in. That looks good. We're going to use some caramelized pecans. Put those in. We're going to use some blue cheese. This is my favorite. I love blue cheese. I used about a quarter cup there. And then most importantly, we're going to use a fresh, crisp red apple. And this is a cosmic crisp. I consider myself a specialist when it comes to apples. I have one just about every darn day, and I love them. This is one of my favorites right now. But these are really thinly sliced. I think that's a key piece to this recipe. So let's put a few of these on. I'm going to spread them out all over the salad here. This is about 3/4 of an apple. So if you get done and you need a little bit more, add a little bit more. If you want a little more blue cheese, no blue cheese. You could use feta or nothing at all. All right, so now we're going to go into the balsamic and the olive oil, and we're going to use our Robust blend extra virgin olive oil. You want to use more olive oil than you do balsamic vinegar, and if you end up with a bunch of balsamic in the bottom of your bowl, you'll know that you use too much, and then next time, just don't use so much, because it'll really strip the flavor or the taste from your tongue. So let's go ahead and put our balsamic vinegar on. What's nice is because it's clear, all the colors will really pop. You're not going to get the kind of muddied out colors that you might get when you use a dark balsamic vinegar. Not that that's negative and bad as far as flavor goes. Just if you want the flavors in your salad to really pop, this is a great alternative to use. So let's get this on here. I'm probably going to use about 1.5 tablespoons here. Call it good. If you want to add more afterwards, after you plated these and you're tasting it, add some more. You know, take it, put it on the table when you sit down for dinner. All right, so this is our Robust blend. So I'm going to use about twice as much. The Robust blend this year is amazing. It has a really great green color, super robust in flavor. Like you get that herbaceous kick, red apple, you get a little bit of peach in there, and just a really nice oil. So let's get that on. Let's get a little salt over the top, about 1 teaspoon, maybe a little less, and then pepper. That over the top. All right. That there, my friends, is a great looking salad, super healthy. You've got the extra virgin olive oil. You've got the white balsamic vinegar that really helps to make all the colors and everything pop because you really eat with your eyes. Once you dig in, you're going to see that tastes delicious. And then you can mix it up. I got some of my dad's tools here. Mixing tools, he handmade these. These are made from our 110-year-old olive trees up in Corning. And you can mix these up, plate it, and this will make about 4 platefuls or 4 servings of salad. So I hope you guys get to try it out. It's absolutely delicious. Look at that. Woo! It's amazing. Complete perfection.